And that's where it's. Oh, I got a helicopter. It's such a bad idea. Yeah.
I can shoot jets down with this thing.
Shoots down jets!
Takes out jets.
Takes out jets! You guys are looking at me. You're looking at it.
Be advised, we have lost objective Delta.
12 o'clock. ATV. See him? Oh, he's gone. Someone else shot him.
Oh, chopper.
Someone just screamed. Did you hear somebody scream? Whoa!
Yeah, accidentally killed a guy.
Just taking control of objective Echo.
See that chopper?
Yep, we'll get him to you. He's all you.
Engage.
Where'd he go?
Went behind that rock. Where the thing crashed.
I don't see him.
Nah, it's alright. Oh, there he is. To the right.
Oh, he's on the ground on fire. Shoot that guy right there. 1 o'clock. He's aiming. Another one below. See him? Nice job. Look at their bodies. Look at.
I'm gonna shoot some more.
Is that dude right there sniping? Right there, right there.
Oh, that guy right there.
Yeah.
Where?
Right on the rocks.
Oh, yeah.
Nice. Nice.
He's dead. There's a guy in the water. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Uh-oh.
Friendly in the water.
Oh.
You don't like my driving?
I love it. Someone got angry enough to switch to stingers.
Wow, that came in at the last second.
I don't even know where that's coming from.
It's high. It's a vehicle.
Oh, it's far away. Go out to the open
It's
ocean.
the A10. It's the A10.
No, it's not. Go out to the open ocean. I saw a stinger come from pretty far away.
All right, I got it. I'm gonna go hang around the AA over here.
Yeah, I'm fixing.
All right, we good?
Thing, bucket of bolts. Yeah, there we go. So there's personnel over by Alpha and over by Delta is where the stinger came from. RCB.
I've spotted a hostile boat just east of your position.
For personnel. What's that to the left? At 11 o'clock, there's the personnel. There he is. Get ready to shoot us with a missile of some kind. Where'd you go? I got him. I'm gonna fix whatever that was, but I killed him.
Neutralized objective Delta.
Fixing.
Points.
Objective Delta.
Okay. Good. Personnel right there.
Good kill. Straight ahead. He's going into the building.
Yep. To the right, yeah. Blow that building up.
There he is.
Got one.
Nice shot,
There's
dude.
a third one in there.
Is there?
One in
Are they spawning on him?
Yeah.
Alright.
No, I think there were a total of 3 in there.
Shoot up. Shoot up. In
There
the
he is.
door. In the door.
There he is.
Oh, nice
There he is.
shot. Nice shot.
There he is.
Alright, shoot.
I think we hosed all of them up there now. Ooh, someone's shooting a missile at us from Delta.
Objective Delta.
Where are you, bastard? Enemy chopper, let's kill that thing.
Where?
Looking straight ahead.
Yep.
Straight ahead.
Going high. He's got our shit dialed in.
Yeah, I'm hitting them too. Ha! Their pilot just jumped out. So yeah, let's finish him off.
Nice kill.
Done. I'm gonna fix them. Fixing.
Dropped her poop. I'm getting out of here. Going low.
I'm fixing. Fixing.
Trees, trees, trees. Altitude. I need altitude. There we go.
Fixing.
Oh, man, that was a hard hit.
Kitten is sound asleep.
Objective
This
Delta.
kitten.
Neutralized.
Alright.
The helicopter's still over there
Man.
burning. Man, we got all the zones.
How much does it cost to record? Oh, there he is, right there.
Shoot that sucker. He's nailing us. We're hit. Man, that's gonna suck.
Man, how is he alive? Alright, I'm gonna fix. Oh, damn it. How many times I hit that guy? Oh, he's got 15 and 15 health. I hit him quite a
Dude,
bit.
that iglet hit us 4 times, so
Yeah.
it was a
I
fun
kept
ride.
I kept thinking I could have killed him, but
We
he
can't,
wouldn't go down.
we can't complain. That was a good run with the stupid transpo chopper. That thing's worthless.
That was when we got up to that hilltop, and there was like 4 of them, and they all
Yeah.
took shelter in that house.
Dude,
We
we
just slaughtered them. They're all like, I'm gonna take a peek out the window.
What's cool about it is I'm pretty sure they got all that. So
Yeah. How much is it to record?
let's see, about $1.50. All right, I'm gonna
Probably
call.
better if there were two points of view. Yeah.
Appreciate it, man. I'm calling it quitsies.
All right, man. I'll talk to you later.
Yeah, have a good night. Later, man.
Yeah. See ya.